Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Yamaha Bolt 950. This twin-cylinder cruiser just arrived with only 4,980 miles. Beautiful condition. It's got that really cool mini fairing on the front. And wait till you hear this ceramic system's exhaust, fender eliminator, beautiful silver paint scheme, and this has got the modified handlebars with those really cool tucked in mirrors. Come on by and make your belt drive Bolt dreams come true for just $44.99. This thing is torquey and fun to ride, low seat height. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.